AMS Surveys offer expert heritage consultancy and historic building surveys, providing comprehensive, respectful services tailored to our nation's most treasured buildings. From architectural design and listed building consent to heritage statements and building surveys, our specialists are here to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're in Liverpool, Manchester, Preston or beyond, trust us to help you make informed decisions about your heritage property. Our services include listed building consent and planning permission, ensuring your project adheres to all building regulations, building surveys, offering detailed assessments of a property's condition, and design and project management to seamlessly guide your restoration or renovation project. Let AMS Surveys support your vision today. Call 0151 314 6650 or visit our website to learn more.